The differences between FSKAX and FZROX are primarily based on performance comparison. Their returns are quite close, with FSKAX having a year-to-date return of 6.22% and FZROX having a return of 6.26%. This consistent year-to-date return indicates that both funds perform well, providing good returns for investors and a sense of security in their growth. FSKAX has a total net asset of $84.231 billion, while FZROX has a total net asset of $18.195 billion, showing that FSKAX has invested heavily in various assets, making it a largely diversified fund. In terms of expense ratio, FSKAX has a 0.02% ratio, whereas FZROX has a 0.0% ratio. This means that FZROX has a more attractive expense ratio, which can result in better gains for investors due to the lack of fees. Despite their differences, FSKAX and FZROX have more similarities than differences. Both funds are managed by Fidelity and use comparable investment techniques, allocating their investments to large-cap stocks to guarantee good returns. Ultimately, the decision between FSKAX and FZROX depends on individual preferences. FSKAX has a higher dividend yield, with 1.33% compared to FZROX's 1.28%, and a larger total net asset of $84.231 billion. On the other hand, FZROX has a 0% expense ratio and a slightly higher year-to-date return of 6.26%, making it a compelling option. Both funds are suitable investments, offering good returns and a sense of security for investors.